B&S Aircraft, an AMETEK MRO company, is a repair, maintenance, and overhaul facility located in Wichita, Kansas, with expertise in starter generators, fuel systems, boost pumps, and much more. Our seasoned service department will keep your aircraft in top flying condition. B&S utilizes only the latest diagnostic technology and factory-approved parts to provide the highest quality service and quick turnaround times.
We are an accessory class 1, 2, and 3 repair station. B&S has always been known for quality. We follow the manuals. Again, they tell us exactly what we're supposed to do and how we do it.
Anything that goes on in an aircraft engine that can be unbolted and sent in for rework, not only try to meet their numbers, but give the customer the quick turn. That's what we do here.
At B&S, our workmanship and attention to detail is second to none. Throughout the decades, we've maintained that position by warehousing a vast inventory of components and employing only the best technicians the industry has to offer.
They know what's expected of them. They come in day to day and they put out good quality, but they put in a lot of good effort to give this customer what they expect.
Talent level is extremely high. We still have a family environment. We've got a lot of longtime employees, and I think that goes to the type of business that B&S is.
Quality workmanship, unmatched customer service, and quick turnaround times. B&S Aircraft, helping put our customers back in the air.